Good morning. William would like to do a display for you of a cheese cutter that my niece found and bought for him. Oh, I'm pretty sure you just meant to cut it. Oh.
It works.
It works.
My son works.
Alright, well that was good. Do you want to show them your country écru?
Leave outside room temperature. Or if you have a spreadable brie, so people use brie cheese, camembert, one of those beautiful soft cheeses, shrined. You can put that in there and then have a spoon and put it on your bread, toast in the morning, and kind of stay soft.
Marcy earns his Roblox. Brawl Stars by doing all the house duties, which is amazing. His little brother helps him sometimes, and he's really good at it. Yesterday was hilarious. I'm sorry, the other.
Where are you?
Okay, Zaki, help. A couple of days ago when he started the chores for this one Roblox. One Brawl Stars. When he first started, like, doing it a lot. He was like, I hate your job. Why do we have to do this? I go, to wear clothes. You don't want to wear clothes? Have clean dishes to eat our food off? He goes, it doesn't matter. And with that, I found him inside the washing machine. He hopped in the barrel. He was like so tired, but he wanted to do his chores. But now he just likes his chores and he's so good at it. He helps me so much. Dryer sheets. May as well do an unboxing on this vlog. It is a humongous bag from the other day. It is homeware. Remember the other day I mentioned the belts, the belt kit. You know, if you are on your HERMES journey, like I mentioned, homeware. Amy and Kat and I joked about buying furniture, but honestly, china and any type of porcelain, homeware, tableware is amazing on your journey, but also just in general, it is, it's very addictive, but it's beautiful. It is handcrafted, so well made. They have the sets so you can get the matching. So let's go ahead and unbox these guys, because Jerusha is very much into her tea. We got the matching breakfast. It's a breakfast cup. It does come in, it's so strange. On the website, my mug, you know, my coffee mug I always use, you can buy them singularly. But these only come in a set of 2, which is like every one of the breakfast mug, which is super popular. Might see a lot of girls unboxing it. It only comes in a set of 2. So again, I stuck with my same collection, which is the H Decor, and I went with the black. 2 tea set, and it comes with its saucer. And that's it, period. You can't buy the breakfast cup without a saucer. So again, very beautiful to have the set like so. Look, I'm in love with the H Decor. We love the mugs, we love the mug size. Mum loves to have her hot water in it. Nanny Mel loves a coffee size. Will sometimes likes a coffee size in the H decor, but he actually loves the Tiffany & Co. paper cup a lot more at the moment. Anyway, I just asked him where I thought they would go in our cupboard. So I emptied out some of the glasses because I want them to sit next to each other. But the paper cups are on this side. We have all our oils. And then we have goblets and things like that in crystal, but isn't it beautiful? Let's try this and see how we go. Your Majesty. Mussie's hanging out. The boys are hanging out waiting for Imogen to come, which is their new nanny, new babysitter. Let's pour. I would love the tea mug. Wait, what? Teapot. But no. Here you go, sir. Okay, the king is here to try out his new breakfast mug. Breakfast. Tea is very important in our culture. Tell me the technique of these though. Like a breakfast mug in porcelain, does it make tea, like do you have to go quickly because it makes it cold quicker? Do you know what I mean? Versus glass or that sort of thing.
This is the largest cup I've seen in my life. With the smallest handle I've seen in my life. I kind of don't understand.
The proportions are off.
Very off.
Well, it also might be kind of a hug mug, even though you'd burn yourself, so that doesn't really make sense. The zhuzh. Does everyone love it? It's meant to be serious, like Hermes sipping, but that's fine. My comedian. Does it taste more French royal, sir?
It's a bit old.
A bit stale. To take us for a play date. Imogen from the restaurant is taking them down to, and Zaki's waiting on the step for her. Imogen and John are here. Okay, well it's a 2-for-1 because I didn't know Imogen's boyfriend was coming. This is John. John is our bar boy. Oh, you got leg spread.
I ate it coming up the stairs.
Oh my god, was that painful? Is it all the way around? That's intense. How many hours was that? It's pretty cool. This is Imogen. Hi. So Imogen, the boys love her so much, and she's like, "Can I babysit?" And I was like, "Yes." So they're gonna go to the play place.
You guys excited?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's like babies to Mussie's age is fine. Just watch him. He loves going near the babies, but just like, yeah. You guys can go in, so it's socks. Perfect. Johnny?
Socks. John's got socks on.
Yeah, sweet. So you just leave them in the little shoes in the thing and we're all good. Get her, she's outside, Zaki. Get her, run! 4 children. All right. Hood range, provincial style. Okay, so this obviously, when we designed this, a very provincial home, which you guys have seen in other vlogs, so on and so forth. This, I get asked, is a pot filler. And you see them a lot in provincial design. It is a pot filler. Very French, belongs in my mother-in-law's house because she uses a pot to fill, because she cooks all the time. Doesn't belong in Jerusha's kitchen. However, this is what it is, and I do get asked a lot. So, right now, it is 1,000 degrees outside, and my poor roses are suffering. So, we need to give them some water. Oh my gosh, I'm just organizing my tech pouch. I did a review on these. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. I did get some requests actually, which I'm going to look at filming because they're great requests. I'll have to go back and see who asked, but SLGs from Louis Vuitton. Ideas and SLGs that I most recommend. Great. Anyway, while I was doing that, I asked the boss, could I just get one last coffee before he trots off to a meeting? And he said, sure. And look what he made it in. Oh my God, I'm going to cry. Let's go outside and enjoy my beverage and try not to drop it and break it already.
I never dropped this ball, my dad did.
My 3 children. Really?
Oh, I know what to do now.
Maybe your iPad, Matthew.
Daddy. You should I bring to me?
Hey, Kitty. Kitty.
Good choice.
Meow. Mussy is doing chores to earn brawl bucks. Maybe that's wrong. Show the vlog what you've done. He picks up everything off the ground. He organises his side and Zacky's side. So pug head, cat head. He folds his blanket like Manuela used to. Puts everything out. Puts stuffies. Lines everything up in straight lines. Oh, he's folded all of the... So that's the beautiful packaging. You want to say hi to the vlog? They love seeing you.
Hi, vlog.
No, not again for Nana. Look at the packaging, I said. Isn't it beautiful how the foam, how it comes?
It's all foam.
Yeah, it's like all put in beautiful foam.
What are we looking for? Oh, the
Teacup.
The teacups, Mum.
The tea bowl.
So we'll give her a nice... She only drinks boiling water. Ooh, steamy! Whoops. Sorry, guys. Just fog up the whole camera.
I think the package costs more than that. But it costs to make the teacup.
They are a hilarious pair, these two. They absolutely love... Do you want to move, turn?
Am I allowed to touch it?
You turn. This looks really ugly.
Beautiful. You do have to have a very dainty thing.
It is hot. But what do you think? Isn't it beautiful? I mean, a very dainty handle. But the actual... So this is called the breakfast cup and saucer. And the actual tea size is quite a lot smaller. But the actual cup is a lot smaller. But I like this breakfast size. But the handle is very dainty.
Not really $400.
Yes, each.
Oh,
Tastes exactly the same as my Kmart mug.
Sorry?
Tastes exactly the same as my Target mug.
Okay.
I would just like to say the two of them are now having a fine bone china discussion of his ancestors and how they collected beautiful Russian china, and his mother had Baccarat Rouge china and how beautiful it is, and how I'm not talking about it's an art form to collect this sort of stuff. Like, people collect the crystal, the flutes and all of that stuff. Like, some of the teapots are insane. Where would you like it, sir? Here or on that? I hope that is to your liking, sire. Correct. Dip and then saucer. I mean it more in like high tea circumstances.
High tea, so if at home, anywhere you are, if you're ever going to have tea in a teacup, you always have a saucer.
You look beautiful. You look beautiful in this light, Jules. Everybody loved my last vlog at your house.
Oh, nice.
Zachy, come here.
Where you called yourself a lovely word. Well, that was a completely miserable reaction from Mum the other day, but this is how my shelf has turned out with my new H decor mug and saucer, and I love my mugs, and I guess that's all that matters. That's the moral in life. Not everyone is going to love what you love. And don't ask really anyone for their opinion all the time. Well, she is my mom, but it's okay. They're beautiful with my tea and I think they look really good. The answer to a couple of questions I got is a journey. That's probably the worst thing. I'm not in a journey. I don't have like a crazy wish list. I'm just stuck. I'm so trapped by the Hermes love. I love it. I think that's what the difference is. So, anyway, that's going to end this vlog here because that's a bit of a fail. But I hope you guys like my mugs.